Hello, today I'm in BMW X1. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through infotainment menu. In the beginning, let's take a look in the center of the car. Right here we've got this panel. As you can see, we can enter media, home menu, telephone menu, navigation menu and radio menu by pressing these buttons. Next, if you want to navigate through them, you can twist this knob, you can push it to change between menus and press to confirm your choice. Also, you can go to back or options. Let's take a look how it looks like on this screen display. So now we are twisting the knob. Now we are pushing the knob. And now we are pressing the button, for example, radio, telephone, and the whole menu. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.